In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repair League of Legends client. If your game is crashing, failing to launch, or behaving strangely after an update, the built-in repair tool can quickly scan your installation and replace any missing or corrupted files. It's safe, it doesn't touch your account data, and it usually fixes the most common client issues without a full reinstall. Start by opening the Riot client and signing in. Once you're in, look at the left side of the client where your games are listed. Click the League of Legends icon to make sure you're viewing that game's page inside the client. This is important because the settings we need are specific to League and won't appear correctly if you're on another game. Now move to the top right corner of the client. Click the profile icon there, then choose Settings from the menu. This will open a new window with options for your client and games. In this settings window, find the section that mentions repairing or troubleshooting the game. You'll see the repair tool right there. Click it, and then click Start Repair to begin the process. From here, the client will scan your League of Legends files and verify that everything is installed correctly. If it finds anything out of place, it will automatically download clean files and put them where they belong. This can take several minutes depending on your system and internet speed, so give it time to finish. It's normal for the progress bar to pause or jump. That simply means it's working through different stages of the check. While it runs, try not to close the client or start a match. Let it complete so you get a thorough fix in one pass. A few quick tips while you wait. Keep your connection stable, avoid heavy downloads in the background, and leave the client visible so you can monitor progress. The tool is designed to be safe and reversible, so you're not risking your settings or skins. You may see small updates being applied as part of the repair, which is expected. When the repair is done, you'll be back at the client ready to play. Launch League of Legends and make sure everything feels smooth. Menus should load correctly, patches should apply cleanly, and games should start without errors. And that's it. You've just used the official repair tool to fix your League of Legends client quickly and reliably. If issues return later, you can repeat this process anytime. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your games.